Do you want to add website link in Instagram bio? You can put a website link on your Insta profile with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a website link in your Instagram bio. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, you are on your Instagram profile page. Tap on the Edit Profile button below your bio section. A new screen will appear with different options. On the Edit Profile screen, tap on the Add Link option. Now, from the new screen, tap on Add External Link. Here, you will see the option to add a link. Tap on the URL box and enter your website link. You can also add a title for the link in the title box. After entering the link, tap on the Done icon at the top right of the screen. Your website link will now appear in your Instagram bio, and anyone visiting your profile can tap it to open your website.